everyone, welcome to your science class. Today in our class of science we are going to continue learning about the importance of health. Yesterday, as you remember, we were talking about health and the type of health that exists. So today is Wednesday, July 29th, 2020. Yesterday we were talking about organic meaning of health in your book, page 68, right? So, yesterday we were talking about the meaning of health in your book, page 68. So today we are going to continue with page 69 and we are going to see the relation in microbes with human beings. So, yesterday we were talking about the meaning of health, the types of health, physical, emotional or mental, social, and environmental. So, those are the types of health. Physical health, and here I have things that involve physical health. Emotional health, social health, the one that is in charge of your behavior in society or with your family. And the last one was the environment health. So today we're going to work on page 69 of your books. And the title is Microbes and their relation with human beings. Please copy the title, Microbes and their relation with human beings. You can find this title in your book, page 69. Here is the number of the page. Okay, before to start, we are going to watch a video in order to learn more about those things. Okay, so let's continue.
There seems to be something on this bread. I wonder what it is. Aha! That's interesting.
Okay, what do you think is this thing that has like a color green in the bread? This one is jelly, of course, the one that is color red, but the one that is color green, it's something like suspicious. So what do you think it is? We're going to check.
So, do you want to have a look? Come here, take a look.
Look, those are microorganisms.
What they are? These are microorganisms. So, do you want to learn more about them? Zoom in! There are some living organisms that cannot be seen with bare eyes.
So, most of the organisms cannot be seen through our eyes. They need a powerful microscope in order to see them.
And can only be visible with a powerful microscope. These organisms are called microorganisms or microbes.
So they are called microorganisms or microbes.
There are 5 types of living microorganisms. Fungi. There
exist 5 different types of microorganisms. The first one is fungi.
Bacteria.
Then we have the bacteria.
Viruses.
Algae.
And protozoa.
So those are the 5 different microbes or microorganisms that exist.
Most fungi feed through microscopic threads called hyphae. These threads dig into a food source and release chemicals that break down the food. Then the fungi digest it and use it as nutrients. Fungi feed on.
So fungi can be found in animals that already died or dead animals. And also you can find fungi in some fruit or vegetable or food that is in decomposition.
Dead animals, bird droppings, manure, fruit.
Look, you can find fungi in your fruits.
They eat almost anything that was once alive. Bacteria are single-celled spherical, spiral or rod-shaped organisms. They are a few micrometers long.
So then we have bacteria. And where do we can find bacteria? Look. In your teeth. You can find bacteria in your teeth.
Surprised to know that there are more bacteria in your...
Look what interesting thing is the doctor saying. You can find more bacteria in your mouth, in your teeth, than people in the
Wow,
world.
than the number of people in this...
Entonces podemos encontrar una mayor cantidad de bacterias en nuestra boca que de personas en el mundo. So that's important to have clean our mouth.
world. Bacteria can be found everywhere.
You can
They are
find
in the air.
bacteria in any place, everywhere. You can find it in the air, in the water, in the soil, in the plants, in the animals, whatever place.
The
But
soil
also including us. You can find bacteria in us.
and water, in plants and animals, including you and me. Viruses are single-celled microorganisms.
These organisms, the viruses, are the organisms that are not healthy to our body. They are very dangerous.
They can only survive inside the cells of other
But they can live just from another organism. So they live through other organisms.
living organisms. Once they enter a living organism, they multiply and cause diseases like conjunctivitis.
Those viruses are the ones who produce conjunctivitis, chickenpox, and another diseases.
Chickenpox.
Look, chickenpox. Do you know what is chickenpox? So, chickenpox is like sarpullido, but it's varicela. Chickenpox.
Measles, etc.
Also, you can find sarampion in the viruses, or the viruses provide us fever, flu, and another diseases.
Viruses are said to be so small that 500
Can you imagine? Viruses are so small that you can find 5,000 millions of them, or 5 millions of them in a head of a pin. That's amazing. It's incredible. ¿Cómo pueden existir 500 millones de viruses, de virus reproducidos en la cabeza de un clavo? ¿Pueden creer eso? That's amazing.
million of them could fit on the head of a pin.
So the last one.
Algae are organisms that are found all over the world. They are important because they make much of the Earth's oxygen. There are about 27,000 different species or types of algae. The word protozoa means little animal. This is because the protozoa...
So those are the last microorganisms, the protozoa and the algae. So returning back here, after you finish to copy the title, the title is this one. You can find it here in page 69 of your book. Then you are going to write in your notebook the 5 different types of microorganisms that exist. Fungi, bacteria, viruses, algae, and protozoa. And that's everything that you have to do in today's science class. See you until next class. I hope you enjoy this topic. Bye-bye. Please be careful. Take care. See you.